This is the Unicam LC 10GB 50-125 Multimode Fiber Connector. This Multimode Fiber Connector makes terminating fiber fast and easy. Using the high-performance Unicam toolkit, connectors can be made in little as 45 seconds. The epoxy-free termination can be done on almost any job site. Unicam's precise manufacturing process ensures a best-in-class optical performance, with low insertion loss around 0.1 dB and 0.5 maximum dB per connector. The ceramic ferrules are chip and crack resistant, providing a smoother finish than polymer ferrules. Each connector comes with a connector housing, snap-on clip, copper ring, ND strain relief boots for 900 micron, 2.0, 1.6, and 2.9 mm fiber. The Unicam LC 10GB 50-125 Multimode Fiber Connector is the best when you need an easy and quick fiber termination solution. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.